A solar panel warranty is your safety net for decades of clean energy. Here are the 10 essential facts you need to know, ranked from least to most important. From Axiom Eco Homes. Number 10. Inverter warranties are shorter than panel warranties, typically lasting between 5 and 12 years. Microinverters may last up to 25 years. Number 9. Improper maintenance can void your warranty. You must keep panels clean and accessible to maintain cover. Number 8. You must register your warranty within 30 days of installation to activate the cover. Number 7. Transferable warranties add resale value to your home. Most can be passed to a new owner if you sell. Number 6. Installation warranties are separate from product warranties. They cover fitting errors for 1 to 10 years. Number 5. Performance warranties guarantee at least 80% of original power output after 25 years. Number 4. Product warranties cover defects in materials or workmanship only, not accidental damage or normal wear. Number 3. Manufacturer stability is crucial. If the maker goes bust, your warranty may be worthless. Number 2. Performance warranties guarantee at least 80% of original power output after 25 years. Number 1. Manufacturer stability is the most important factor. If the maker goes bust, your warranty becomes worthless. Always check financial health. For expert advice on solar panel warranties and installations, contact Axiom Eco Homes today.